Yes, this is the Twist and Reach for easy access painting, walls, ceilings. Of course, it's a little dirty. I've been using it quite a bit. The really nice thing about it is not only the grip, because this is a rubberized grip, so it's very comfortable, you don't get tired, but then this is usually what goes bad in some of these rollers. They will bend, they will break. This is extremely solid. And twist and reach, meaning you twist and you reach. It's really, really cool. And if this is not enough for you, you can always attach it to a pole and get even higher as it is. And it's full aluminum, so very, very sturdy, won't bend, won't break. I've been using it for a few months on quite various different projects, ceilings and walls, and it does an incredible job. And it's an even pressure as well, which doesn't happen to a lot of rollers. This roller actually has a really even flow. So big fan.